Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to sign. It's time to sign. In my classroom, in my classroom. Play with me. Learn with me. Let's get ready. Let's get ready. Here we go. Hello, everyone. It is time to sign. We ready? All right. Let's do it. Time to sign with Miss Lillian in the classroom. Are you ready? We're going to learn some weather signs. Some weather. Don't you like the weather? Sometimes, right? When it's sunny, when it's sunshine out there, we love it. Sometimes when it's cold and snowing, it's hard to go outside, right? I know. I don't like it. Or when it's raining and you feel cold and all you want to do is stay inside. Right. So let's do some stuff with the weather. Let's become the weather. And I'm going to use my handy dandy weather poster. Okay. So that we do different weather. So this is sunshine. Look at the sun. Sunshine. Sunshine. Guess what? In Spanish is asoleado. Asoleado. That's right. Sunshine. Rain. Rain. In Spanish is lluvioso or lluvia. Wind. Wind. Ventuoso. Let's do that. Ventuoso. Windy. It's windy outside. Storm. Sometimes you have different storm. You have a rainstorm, or you have a snowstorm, or you have a windstorm, or we have a dirt storm. A lot of storms out there, right? In Florida, we have a lot of hurricanes, and that's a storm as well. Now we have hurricanes. All right. Cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. Oh, storm in Spanish is tempestuoso. Let's do that. Tempestuoso for storm. All right, now let's do cloudy, cloudy, cloudy. In Spanish is nublado. It's cloudy outside. Lightning. Ooh, lightning. Ooh, lightning. In Spanish is relámpago. It's lightning. I know they make me scared, huh? Especially like the big lightning, yeah. And thunder. Thunder too makes me scared. Thunder in Spanish is trueno. Trueno, touch and just boom, boom, boom. Thunder and lightning, they scare me. Snowy, snow. Thick, snowy outside, right? So let's do what would the weather be? So this is weather, the sign for weather, 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 right? And in Spanish is clima or tiempo. What would the weather become, turn into, or you could do be? What would the weather be or be? Okay, and let's talk about the weather. What would the weather be? Ready?
Oh dear, what will the weather be? Oh dear, what will the weather be? Sunny, rainy, or snowy, what will the weather be?
All right, next song we're gonna do is Mr. Sun. You like Mr. Sun? I love the sun. It's so bright and shiny, and it gives you energy. It makes you strong, and you get energy and vitamin D. And makes you strong and makes things grow, right? You know, with water and a little sunshine makes things grow out there, right? Have you seen the plants? They grow because of the sunlight and water and dirt. They really work. So here we go. So let's talk about Mr. Sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind the trees. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. So you're doing shining on me. Let's try it. Let's try it with music. Are you ready?
Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Yay! Great song. Love that song. Next song is the Itsy Bitsy Spider. Don't you just love the Itsy Bitsy Spider? So I'm going to teach you the signs first, okay? So I want you to take your hand and hook them. Let's make the spider go up and the spider go up and to side, up and down and all around, up and down and all around. The little spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy or little spider went up the water spout again and again and again. All right, let's try it. Try it. Let's make that spider go up and down. Come on. Come on, I'm waiting. Let's do it together. Come on, you over there. Do it. Spider. All right, ready? All right, let's do it.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Yay! Now my other song, this is one of my favorite songs about the weather a little bit. You are my sunshine, one of my sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll always know how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Let's try that. Let's try that with music. So sunshine, my only sunshine, happy, skies gray, always know, much love you. Please don't take sunshine away.
You are my sunshine, one of my sunshines. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll always know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are my sunshine, one of my sunshines. You make me happy when skies are gray. much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Thank you.